Hello everyone. This video will share with you the use test of 11 car chargers. Having a car charger will bring us great convenience. No need to worry about running out of mobile phone when driving. And can also be used as a mobile phone holder to fix the mobile phone. For navigation, choose a high quality charger and you will know after watching this video. Follow me. The next video will share with you what brand of mobile phone to choose, what kind of car charger,